Let's talk about something really beautiful. El mar. Hi everyone, the word of the day is mar. Mar. This means sea. Mar is masculine. So you can say el mar or un mar. The plural form is los mares or unos mares. Some people refer to the sea as la mar, although that's not pretty common to hear. Now let's see a few examples. Me encanta el sonido del mar. Me encanta el sonido del mar. ¿Cuál es uno de los mares más grandes? ¿Cuál es uno de los mares más grandes? El color del mar es asombroso. El color del mar es asombroso. Okay, that's all for today. Don't forget to share more examples down below. I always love to read your comments. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye!